Oh, there go the shrimp. Look at that. Mmm. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat this shrimp. I went to the water park, yeah. I went to the water park over the weekend, last weekend. And I had fun. Went down the slide with Mason and Kyle. It was fun. We said splish splash. Hey Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video, and I'm home. I am home, y'all. And you know I had to come back at y'all with the crabs, okay? And I'm going to tell you what I have in a minute. I'm going to bless this goodness. I didn't eat all day, so I am going to hurry up. Let me see. All right. Okay, today what I have is some colossal shrimp. I have some potatoes. I have corn. I have the lemon. I have the crab. Okay, blue crab. Blue crab. You can't even see me. Hold up. Blue crab. And that's it. That's all I have. I didn't make any eggs. I didn't want any eggs. And oh, I have Dungeness. You know Dungeness. I never had this. This is my first time trying this one out. This bad boy. Okay. I tried to make it look all pretty, y'all. Look, I don't know how y'all do it. We just throw it down and just start. So this is what I have. Let me get a good one. Let me see. Get started. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try this to get it out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna go into the leg. I might need a hammer. Cause oh, never mind. I don't need a hammer. Oh yeah, I need a hammer. Okay. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping over. And I got some sauce here. It's Bloves sauce, of course. I like the Smack-Delicious sauce. One day I'll get to something different, y'all. One day. Okay. That's good. Woo. I mean, that's kind of spicy. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. I ain't eat all day, y'all. I always say that when I'm home, because it's true. But I was looking for this. This is good. I like this. Dungeness crab. Oh, I didn't forget my lemon this time, see? I didn't forget the lemon this time. Woo, it's great anyway, y'all. Got my corn. You know. The crabs came from Lady Francis. The snow crab came from local grocery store Gershbacks. And the shrimp. The corn came from Lady Francis. I might have, no, you know what, hold up. Let me reach it to the side. I'm gonna put this sauce in front of me. Okay. I might have to bring y'all down on something. Hold up. 1 second. 1 second, y'all. Hey. I had to fix it, y'all. My bad. So, this is so good. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, get that goodness on there. Okay. Got me sweating, y'all. Let me set this to the side real quick, y'all. Hold on. So, let me see. Use that to poke it through. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's how we do, y'all. We bite it. Bite it. Yep, we do. See? Of course, if it's too hard, I don't want to be biting it, though. How y'all doing today? Look at me, look at me. Oh, right. How about that? Oh, I'm sweating. I am sweating a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. A little bit of meat. Look at my finger over you. Yeah. Peel that off. Yeah. That all away from around there. Dip it in that goodness right there. Dip it. Y'all can see it a little bit. That's good. That's good meat there. It's raining over here, y'all. Storm and rain. Trying to make sure I get all that meat out of there. Y'all, excuse me. See how I was about to let it go like I ain't want to let it go. Oh, I got no meat on there. Look. Okay, I'm done with that. I might leave y'all in a second. Go get me a spoon for this sauce. Oh, look at that. Ooh, Dungeness. Ah, that greasy Dungeness. Might as well finish it off, right? Finish it off. Mason went upstairs. He was down here with me. I guess I was taking too long setting everything up. God, man. That was good. I didn't steam the crabs, of course. As I said, I got them from Lady Francis, but I did steam the Dungeness. I did steam this and the snow crab leg and the shrimp. And the potato. I usually always do my own seafood, y'all. Except for the crabs. I let them do that. Look at that. That's meat right there. It's a seasoning on that part. Seasoning. Dip it in the sauce right here. Some of that lemon. Hey y'all. One of my subscribers asked me to do some type of burp. Y'all got told me to well, asked me to with my mouth shut, burp slowly. With my mouth shut, burp slowly. And then a little burping in between that, I guess. And then say, excuse me, or whatever. I don't know. I don't know. But I told him, you get that comment up to 500 likes and get me some subscribers or something. I don't know. I'll try to do that because I don't understand that one. Nope. But if that happened, I sure will try. Yes, I will. Now this part used to be hard, so I don't know. See? That wasn't so bad. Got to have strong teeth. Strong teeth. Okay. I got a little something to throw my shells in on the side, y'all. Look at that, look at that. Dip that in the goodness. Don't miss it, don't miss it. Crabs is for you to make a mess. Supposed to make a mess. Right? So y'all think I should try that burp? Comment below if I should try it. Excuse me. I see a lot of people, YouTubers went to VidCon. When I get up there enough, I'll be at one day. You know? One day, and then I get to be able to collab with some of them, of my favorites. I hope one day. I hope one day. Oh, dang, I didn't even show y'all the shrimp. I was so into it. I'll show y'all enough of it. I enjoy potato even. Hell. Potato. Man. Oh. Look at this though. One of these legs. Woo! Woo! Okay. Just try to peel all that off right here, y'all. Yeah, I'm putting it back in there. Let me put it. Yeah, take all that off. See? Like that. Oh man, hate when they do that. Part of it. See this? Push that down. Get it how I can get it. And peel it off. There you go. Get that meat out of there. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, so I'm gonna try to dip this corn as I can here. See, I'm not, that's why I need a spoon. I need a spoon. Let it run, let it run. Now I'm gonna get one of the curd. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You like when they come out like that. Meat that good up. Oh man, I ain't finished this one. Hold up. You about to hear some noise because I think they're about to come downstairs. But it's okay. Y'all see me? Yeah. I made this spicy. Spicy. Open this up. I don't got all my stuff in there like I like. It's a female, y'all. It's a female. You know I like all my stuff. It didn't have that. This didn't have that. That's how I do mine. Yeah. Let me see. Mm. Hands nice and messy. Nice and messy. Yeah. That's how you eat the seafood. You gotta be messy. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm going. And man, I'm all hot. Look at me, sweating. Eating this because I made it all spicy. Imagine I eat them 2-time noodle things. Oh my goodness, no. Mm. Mm. Crab good. Good, good, good. Dip this pot. And look, I'm gonna do it now. Oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to go get myself together, y'all. For real. Yeah. Right after this sweet, I'm gonna go fix myself up. It's bigger than me in here, y'all. Excuse me. Bigger than me. I know. I'll be back, y'all. Woo! I had to get myself together a little bit. Get some of that. I'm sweating. It's hot, y'all. But anyway, where was I? On this crab right here. I was on this other part of the blue crab. Other part. Get that. Here, let me. Oh, let me. You see that? Yes. I don't want it over it because I don't want it, all the shells falling in there. So, tackle. Another one of these bad boys. See that? That fat. Give me that meat right there. Alright. Peel that off, peel that off. Get in there. Hey. Eat. You want to give me some kind of, give me something. Well, I'm eating that one, though. The knuckle meat, y'all. Get some of that seasoning off of that. Dumping in some of that good. Peel that all off. Let me put that down so I can put some of this lemon on there. Woo! Why I do that, y'all? Y'all see that? It's only me. It's only me. Only me. Only me. Give me some ideas for another video, y'all. Comment. Oh, you go Wugas. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Comment. Y'all better go get y'all some seafood. Better go get y'all some seafood. They creeping down steps. They right there creeping. I told them you was coming down, y'all was coming down the steps. Didn't I tell y'all? Like y'all was gonna answer me right now. Like I can hear y'all. Yeah, girl. I'll read it. Basic chick. Basic. She got her face all made up, y'all. It look nice. Look really nice. Excuse me. Mason, you want some? Crab? Wash your head. You want to say hi to Sugar Wugas? Say hi. Here. Here. What? 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 You don't want to talk? I don't. What y'all see is what y'all got. She don't want to say nothing because she said I'm recording y'all. Is it a secret?
Like, is she recording?
No, it's a secret, whatever you guys say. Alright, it's a secret.
How's the crab?
I'm good. I'm good. In it. Ah! Y'all see that? You hear that? I'm hold up, y'all. Y'all be like, I don't got no food. I don't got no food. I ain't got no food, y'all. So, gotta make it work, gotta make it work. I'm gonna get it down, huh? You see me? You see me? You see me? You see me? They came to visit me. They gone. But look, I want that. Don't y'all say nothing. Don't y'all say nothing. I got it though. I was determined. Yep. Nope. It's like, y'all, I'm telling you, I eat a lot of crabs. I eat crabs all the time. Just get a whole bunch and just throw them on the table and just eat, you know? So, clean some of this out. Because I'm about to let y'all go. Seriously. If y'all haven't already let me go. Oh, they go to shrimp. Look at that. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat that shrimp. Eat this shrimp. I went to the water park, y'all. Went to the water park over the weekend, last weekend. And I had fun. Went down the slide with Mason and Kyle. It was fun. We said splash splash. That sounds good. Hold up. I gotta eat another one, y'all. I gotta eat another one. Gotta eat another one. Whew. I'm gonna put some lemon on that one. One more potato. I keep saying one more this. Oh, check it out. That's it. That's it. Y'all. I'm gonna finish eating in a little bit, but I need to take me a break, okay? So, for now, my sugar woogers, I just had to bring y'all a little something while I was home. I couldn't have this goodness and not show y'all, right? But anyway, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video, okay? Comment, let me know what you want to see me do, what you want to see me eat, share, do all that goodness for me, all that good stuff, okay? And I'm going to leave y'all with a nice, big old sugar mama hug. See y'all.